Good afternoon. My name is Ed Diaz, and I'm an associate broker with Schuil Ag Real Estate, and I've been with them for 12 years now. I'm originally from Hanford, California, born and raised there. Went to College of the Sequoias and then on to Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, where I got both an undergraduate degree in industrial technology and a master's degree in general ag sciences. My specialty is dairies, and I've done that from early years, and the most recent years, however, I've transitioned a little bit more over to trees and vines, and particularly nuts. I can be contacted at ed@schuil.com. My telephone number is 559-731-5116.